Hey, welcome back. I just gave all the dogs a bath, and they are not happy with me. Yeah. Dixie's ready to go inside. Yeah, she needs to dry off a little bit. Yeah, as you can see here, she's not doing too good. This happens pretty much every summer now. It's just why we can't get them a dog bed, because it just gets infested with fleas and mange. So yeah, we're just waiting for her to grow her hair back. It's getting better, but yeah, we can't take her anywhere with her like this. She also still has that messed up ear from a couple years ago, and that got infected and swelled up to the size of like a pear. And that little Jack here, our newest dog and our little stray, yeah, he's easily the most behaved, except for when he's trying to fight with Mason. And good old Mason dog here. He's starting to lose hair too, but he should be all right. I just rubbed some of this on them, so it should help them. They're just drying off right now. Well, air drying. They really want to go in. Some of the suds just dumped out the pool. There's the leash I used to get them in. Dixie I had to carry in. Here's the hose. I'm gonna leave that here since my brother's gonna probably want to come out and play in the pool. Yeah. So, yeah. Yep. There's Mason peeing on stuff. Alright. Yeah, Mason's normally the most behaved when taking a bath, mostly because he likes getting rubbed while he does it. Yeah, Jack is always terrified. He like shivers forever, and he takes the longest to dry because of his weird ratty hair. Dixie, she was alright this time around. She just didn't really want to get in. Like, I had to drag her in and then carry her the rest of the way. Hey. Don't you growl at your brother like that. It's okay, Mason. He's not gonna get you. So, yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all in the next one, and, see ya.